Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about ProfitGram. Now ProfitGram is due to be released on Monday the 18th at 11 AM Eastern. It comes from Adu, Mike Mackay and Callum Johan. So basically guys, this is a Instagram automation software. So we're going to go into the software itself. We'll take a look around. This is very shiny, looks very impressive, and then we'll talk about the overall strategy itself and see whether this really is going to be the death of emails. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one, and the idea of the reviews is you just get a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to purchase any type of product or service online. Just before we start, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, let's jump straight inside. We are going to come back to the sales page afterwards. I want to show you a few things on the sales page, but basically when you get into the actual dashboard itself, it is very shiny. It looks pretty impressive. There is a training section up here on the top left hand side, and I just have a look at this training. Basically it goes through how to actually use the software itself. You have the Instagram modules here, tells you how to go through the dashboard, connect your Instagram account, the account manager, your captions manager, watermark setup, file manager, posting on ProfitGram, 2 videos or 2 sections on that. This is the section that's very interesting to me. When they talk about unlimited traffic on the actual sales page, they talk about straight to 2 billion people at a one-time price. Say goodbye to inconsistent email marketing. Send any message with any link or offer to 2 billion plus people in 180 countries, lots of unlimited traffic. The first thing you see when you go into the help section is a warning about using the software too much, because what this is doing is it's going to be automatically following people on Instagram, and because it's an API that's doing that, Instagram algorithm will pick that up and ban your account very quickly. Now they've already got warnings on here about if you do get a warning, come off, shut the software down and go onto your phone and start using your phone like a normal user before you come back to the software. Now they know that once you have multiple newbies on here, this software is going to get cooked very quickly, and I think it's going to be offline for most of the time, guys, because people will not heed these warnings. They're going to try and follow as many people as they can, because what you're doing here is you're basically spamming users on Instagram. So you come back to this very shiny software. You come down here, you have a dashboard here, you have a publish all, which is basically a way that you can go ahead and publish various types of photos, videos, links and text straight to your Instagram account. You obviously need to add your Instagram account to this, and it will build up the actual post here, which I'm going to say, guys, is probably the one benefit I see of owning software like this. If you wanted to somewhere that you could actually utilize to actually post directly to Instagram from your PC, this actually could be worth $17 to actually do that. Anything to do with automation on here, I think, is a complete waste of time. And there's also no connection between this and when I go back to the sales page, how you actually make money with this. Nobody's got any training in here about how you would do that. It's left to you to figure that piece out. All they're doing is giving you a piece of software here that allows you to post to Instagram and use automation on Instagram, following people, liking people's posts, etc. But the actual post part of this is the only thing that I think is okay, because when I come to my own Instagram account here, I can't actually post directly from my PC on Instagram. The whole point of it was for phones. It was for directly to post images straight into Instagram. So this is always very tricky when you try and do it directly from your PC. There's not really a great way of doing it. Now this could allow you to do that. That's about the only benefit I see of having this type of software. But of course they have to overhype it. They have to go and make out they're going to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with this, which is just not true. So basically, if you come over to Instagram itself, it allows you to post, as I said here, and then direct message people. Now, this is where they're saying once you have your account connected, you can search for people that are in certain niches and then direct message those people. So basically, guys, you're spamming Instagram. Now, if you just look at the Instagram terms of service, they don't want you to be spamming. They actually say you got to add like a responsible user and not spam links to people, which is what this whole process is all about. When they talk about this in the video, it's all about just directly contacting people and spamming them your links directly. And I got to tell you guys, I don't think this is a very good tactic and a very good way you're going to build a business online by spamming links on Instagram. So that's basically what this direct messaging is all about. You can schedule your posts, which again, not bad feature. You have an account manager here if you have multiple Instagram accounts, which they don't really want you to do, but you can have one here. You have a file manager in here where you can go ahead and upload various types of files. You have a group manager here. You have your caption manager here where you can put different captions on here. So basically this piece here. And then you have a watermark where you build a little watermark. And that's really the software, guys. Now, if you want to go ahead and have a piece of software that you can use on your computer to post directly to Instagram, this could be okay. But the reality of this is they're not selling it for that. They're selling it to say you're going to make a lot of money. Now, when you come back to the sales page itself, I can show you that this is a sales page that is full of inconsistencies. If I come down and have a look at the 3 steps, again, you're going to let it blast and get all of that traffic to $1,000 commissions. This here, they're saying, here's proof from our own business showing that this software delivers fast and easy commissions. Their last product called ProfitVideo.com. Profit Video is so good it gives you unlimited opportunities. Here's proof that our own business showing that this software delivers fast commissions. It's the same graphic on both of these products, completely different products, guys. And then you come down to the all-important testimonials where Janine Coe and Wayne Watts and Nigel Willis are all telling you that they're using this and they're making money with it, and you should go ahead and spend your hard-earned money on this too. Go to this product, it's exactly the same. When I first saw Profit Video, I had to ask myself the question. When I first saw ProfitGram, I had to ask myself the question. These guys are just pulling the wool over your eyes. Nobody's making money with this software. Even if you can use it to directly post from your PC, there's so much more involved in making money with Instagram. So based on that, guys, I'm going to give this a very low score because I'm not happy with the fact that they have to be totally dishonest with you on a sales page to try and sell you this software. So here's the funnel, guys. The front end of ProfitGram is $17 down to $15. The second number is always the downsell. You got ProfitGram Pro Edition, $37 down to $27. ProfitGram Enterprise Edition, $47 down to $37. ProfitGram Done For You Edition, $39 down to $29. ProfitGram Reseller Edition, $197 down to $97. And ProfitGram IMX Bundle, $97 down to $67. So guys, I definitely would give this a pass unless you want a piece of software for $17 that allows you to post directly on Instagram from your PC. I would give this a pass just based on the fact they're being so dishonest on the sales page. So my name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're really serious and you want to learn how to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, take care.